10 facts about parrots. Parrots are a type of bird belonging to the parrot family, known for their intelligence and social nature. Parrots are remarkable for their ability to mimic sounds accurately, including words and phrases. There are numerous species of parrots around the world, including African gray parrots, green parrots, and blue parrots. Some species of parrots live in the wild in forests and open lands, while others are kept as pets in homes. Wild parrots feed on a variety of foods such as fruits, seeds, and insects. Some species of parrots have attractive colors and vibrant feathers, making them eye-catching to many people. Parrots are highly intelligent and can be trained to perform various tricks and even solve simple problems. Parrots communicate in the wild using sounds and gestures, an effective way to communicate within flocks and identify threats and resources. Parrots have unique personalities, with some being playful and fond of interacting with humans, while others are more cautious and shy. Parrots are popular pets, often considered companions in the daily lives of many people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.